Okay, could you tell me a little about yourself?
Hi, my name is Edison Ruiz. I am 34 years old. I am very responsible, punctual, and dynamic person. I have been working in logistic area for almost 10 years. That has given me the experience, the versatility needed for this type of jobs. To improve my knowledge, I started studying industrial engineer in UNAT.
Okay, why do you want to work in this company?
I'm very interested in the position because I really like the functions, responsibilities, objectives, culture idea, and benefits you offer. I have been part of the technology and of the technological implements and improving processes, non-technological process, and companies with technology already defined or I pretty sure not it like we can see in your company. Your technology is out of the world.
What are your goals for the future?
In the my turn will be to finish my career and maybe start a master. Keep working in logistic area, teaching and learning every day something new.
What are your greatest strengths or weakness?
I am fast learner, chain adaptability. I am hardworking and with excellent communication and teamwork skills. I don't have much experience in automatic tools, but I am doing courses about them. I just need more practice.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the skills that you transfer from your previous line of work to our department line?
I have worked and supervised every logistic process as receive, storage, picking, packing, loading, inventory, label update the system with the upsells and inside inputs, and that has given me the experience to help in this department.
Thank you.